Welcome to Review Rumble. The best clothes drying rack is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining a tidy and efficient home, especially for those living in apartments or with limited laundry space. Imagine reclaiming your living area from the clutter of air-drying clothes, transforming a mundane chore into a seamless part of your home's aesthetic with a solution that's both practical and stylish. This isn't just about drying clothes, it's about smart living and maximizing every inch of your space, making laundry day less of a hassle and more of a breeze. Number 5. GorillaLine Retractable Clothesline. Introducing the GorillaLine Retractable Clothesline, a versatile solution for your laundry needs. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, offering convenience and durability. Setting up is a breeze. It installs in just minutes with all the necessary hardware included, making it perfect for your laundry room, balcony, or even your RV. This retractable clothesline is a game changer for small spaces. With a simple one-touch operation, it keeps your area tidy and clutter-free, ideal for apartments and bathrooms. Extended up to 14.1 feet to dry all your laundry, from towels and linens to delicates and baby clothes. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle your needs. Save on your energy bills by air-drying your clothes. It's an eco-friendly way to do laundry while also protecting your fabrics from harsh dryer heat. Its sleek stainless steel housing complements any decor, whether in your laundry room, bathroom, or on the balcony. When not in use, it retracts instantly for a clean, minimalist look. This product has been featured on major media outlets like The Today Show, CNN, USA Today, and Fox, showcasing its quality and usefulness. What we like. If you need a laundry solution that blends seamlessly into your home and is incredibly easy to use, this is it. It extends up to 14.1 feet, perfect for drying various items, and retracts instantly for a clean look. If you value both functionality and aesthetics in a compact space, like an apartment or RV, this is a great choice. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and holds a good amount of clothes. Easy to install and folds away neatly when not in use. The design is sleek and modern, looks great in my laundry room. Number 4. Double Foldable Clothing Rack W Extension Rod, Chrome. Tired of clutter? This wall-mounted rack is the perfect solution to maximize your closet space wherever you need it. It's compact, durable, and incredibly easy to install. Don't let its size fool you. This sturdy stainless steel bar can hold up to 60 pounds, making it ideal for hanging even heavy, wet clothes. It also helps keep your surfaces clear for folding. Need extra hanging space? This rack is designed to fold away neatly when not in use. Simply pull it down to create instant hanging space in any room, from dorms to offices. Its rust-resistant aluminum casing means you can mount it almost anywhere, indoors or out. Use it in your garage, shed, or any covered outdoor area that needs a little organization. Setting it up is a breeze. Just follow the included guide to mark, drill, and secure the rack to your wall. You'll be organizing in no time. Once installed, simply add the extension rod and start organizing your clothes. It's the smart, space-saving solution you've been looking for. What we like. For those who need versatile hanging space that can be tucked away, this rack is ideal. Its sturdy stainless steel bar holds up to 60 pounds, and it folds neatly when not in use. If you're in a dorm, office, or need extra hanging space for guests, this retractable hanger offers a practical and durable solution. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and can hold a good amount of laundry. It was easy to install and folds up neatly when not in use. The design is sleek and modern, looks great in my laundry room. Number 3. Step Up Laundry Drying Rack, 40 White. Step Up has been a market leader since 2019, with our products sold worldwide. We are trusted in Europe, Latin America, Japan, Australia, and beyond. Beware of imitations with inferior materials. Our original patented design includes a wall template and a long screwdriver bit for perfect installation. This foldable rack offers 20 feet of linear hanging space with 6 heavy-duty rods. It can easily hold up to 60 pounds of laundry. Constructed with durable stainless steel and aluminum, it's perfect for any space. Use it on your patio, balcony, in RVs, or even in your laundry room. Installation is a breeze with the included wall template, long screwdriver bit, screws, and anchors. Please note that drywall and stucco may require pre-drilling. What we like. If you're looking for a robust and reliable drying rack with a proven track record, consider this option. It boasts a large drying area with 20 linear feet and a 60 pounds capacity, thanks to its heavy-duty aluminum rods. If you have a larger laundry load or need a durable solution for patios or balconies, this patented design is a solid investment. What people say. This drying rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of clothes. It was easy to install and folds up nicely when not in use. The design is sleek and modern. It looks great in my laundry room. Number 2. Honey Can Do Wall-Mounted Clothes Rack. Introducing a smart solution for your laundry needs. This wall-mounted rack offers an efficient way to dry clothes at home, keeping your space tidy. Enhance your home with this stylish wooden drying rack. Its foldable design is perfect for modern living, offering a space-saving solution when not in use. This sturdy laundry rack is designed for efficient drying. It mounts securely to your wall and can support a significant weight limit, ensuring durability. An essential for any new homeowner, this versatile drying rack features a smart design. It expands easily for convenient, space-saving laundry drying. Keep your home organized with this compact wall-mount laundry drying rack. Its smart dimensions make it ideal for efficient home organization. Add a touch of style to your laundry room with this white dryer rack. It provides a clean, efficient, and stylish solution for drying your clothes. What we like. If you want a drying rack that complements your home decor while being highly functional, this wooden option is perfect. It offers a stylish way to dry clothes and is designed to save space, expanding to about 20 degrees when open. If you're a new homeowner looking for essential, smart, and aesthetically pleasing laundry solutions, this is a great fit. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of clothes. It was easy to install and looks great on the wall. The folding design is convenient for saving space when not in use. Number 1. Space Saver Wall-Mounted Folding Hanger. Introducing our innovative retractable clothes drying rack, designed to bring convenience and organization to your home. It's the perfect solution for keeping your laundry area tidy and your clothes fresh. This wall-mounted hanger is a true space saver. When extended, it holds multiple garments, but when folded, it virtually disappears, making it ideal for maximizing space in closets, RVs, or boats. Setting up is a breeze with 2 installation options. Enjoy tool-free mounting on smooth surfaces like glass or tile, or use the included screws for other wall types. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and sturdy stainless steel, this rack is built for strength. It can confidently hold up to 65 pounds without deforming or failing. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces. Use it in bathrooms, laundry rooms, balconies, or even your RV for drying, freshening, or organizing. Beyond just drying clothes, this versatile rack can help organize your utility closet or provide extra storage wherever you need it. Embrace a cleaner, more comfortable life. What we like. For those in apartments, RVs, or small living spaces who need a flexible drying solution, this rack is a fantastic choice. It's made from durable aluminum alloy and can hold up to 65 pounds, yet it's incredibly compact when folded. If you appreciate the option of non-punch installation on smooth surfaces and need a multi-purpose rack for various locations, this is highly recommended. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and can hold a good amount of laundry. It was easy to install and folds up neatly when not in use. The multiple tiers provide ample drying space for different types of clothing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.